Hello everyone and welcome to this video. The lesson in this video is about directed numbers. This video covers introduction to directed numbers, how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division involving directed numbers, how to apply BODMAS rule to directed numbers, and practical situation, how to solve practical situation involving directed numbers. First of all, what are directed numbers? So positive and negative numbers are called directed numbers. We can represent positive and negative numbers on a number line. So this is how a number line looks like. Positive numbers are located to the right of 0 and negative numbers are located to the left of 0. So why they are known as directed numbers? Because the sign denotes directions. So positive means to the right, negative means to the left. The direction is to the left. Directed numbers are used in many practical situations. So for temperature, below 0 degrees Celsius are negative temperatures. Above 0 degrees Celsius are positive. So sea level, we use positive and negative sign to show the position. So if the position of an object is above sea level, we use positive. Below sea level, we use negative. Profit and loss, obviously we use positive sign for profit, negative sign for loss. Next, we will look at how to perform addition and subtraction involving directed numbers without using a calculator. So take a look at the first one, negative 2 plus 4. So obviously the answer is 2. Or you may use a number line to help you. So this is how to use a number line. So negative 2 is here, so you add 4. Add means moving to the right by 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 2. So that's how you use a number line. Three minus 6. You may also use a number line. So minus means moving to the left by 6 steps. So starting from 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is -3. To answer the third one, you must be able to recall this rule. So if you add with a positive number, a plus positive b, it will be a plus b. A plus negative b, it will be a minus b. A minus a positive b, it will be a minus b as well. If a minus negative number, then it will be a plus b. So try to recall this rule to answer the third and the fourth. So 2 plus -4, it will become 2 minus 4. So it's -2, -2. 5 minus -3 will become 5 plus 3. So it will be +8. So usually we drop the positive sign. So by writing 8, we know that it's +8. How about multiplication and division? So let us start with the first one. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 2 multiplied by -3. So if you multiply by a negative number, a positive number multiplied by a negative number, the result will be negative. If a negative number multiplied by a positive number, the result will be negative as well. If a negative number multiplied by a negative number, the result will be positive. So try to recall this rule. The same rule applies for division. So positive divided by positive, the result will be positive. Positive divided by a negative number, the result will be negative. Negative number divided by a positive number, the result will be negative. Negative number divided by a negative number, the result will be positive. Remember this rule, BODMAS rule. So it guides you the correct order of operation. So which operation that you should perform first. So we follow BODMAS rule. So now we are going to apply BODMAS rule to the following questions. So take a look at the first question. So we solve the one in bracket first, according to BODMAS rule. -9 divided by -3 will be +3. So 2 times 3 obviously is 6. You may use a calculator to check your answer, but try to solve it without the use of a calculator. Show all your working. So 3 minus 6, we solve the one in bracket, will be -3. Negative, negative will be positive. Negative 7 plus 3 will be negative 4. Again, negative, negative, change to positive. So 1 will be the final answer. So you may pause this video and try these questions on your own. So 5 times 3 square, we square first. So 3 square will be 9. 4 divided by negative 2 will be negative 2. So let us solve some problems in practical situations. Take a look at the first question. The temperature at midnight was 3 degrees Celsius, but then it fell by 5 degrees Celsius. So calculate the new temperature. So obviously it's 3 minus 5 minus 2 degrees Celsius. At midnight, the temperature is negative 4 degrees Celsius. At midday, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Calculate the rise in temperature. So to calculate the rise, we take the highest temperature minus the lowest temperature. So the highest temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Lowest will be negative 4. So minus negative 4. So try to recall the rule. Negative, negative become positive. That's the answer. 2 more questions. A diver is at a depth of negative 75 meters. So if you see negative 75 means the diver is below. Of course, the diver is below the sea level. So here's the sea level. The diver is somewhere here. The depth is negative 75 meters. So he rises 40 meters. So rise by 40 meters. So here is the final position of the diver. So at what depth is the diver now? So you have to find the depth. So negative 75 plus 40 will be the depth. a diver is below the surface of the water at negative 20 meter. He dives down by 7 meter, then rises 3 meter. At what depth is the diver now? So initial, the depth was negative 20 meter initially. So dives down means minus, and then rises by 3. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.